Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel and my name is Christina Basumatari. So today we will discuss, we discuss about what that is economic geography of Assam and relating to industries of Assam, that is part 2. Okay, hetu start korar agot ami sam hetu ki agot ami ki porisile last topic ki ase we were discussing cottage industries and miscellaneous industries like what? Paper products, printing, agricultural implements, aru education sector aru scientific and research services. Heju ami agor video discuss korisilu. So aji ami ki discuss korim important topic that is relating to ki registered factories, finance and employment. Episode okoman ami sam about the growth of large and the medium scale industry. So before starting or discussing about this, I'm really sorry for this noisy background. Okay, if it disturbs you or if it will disturb you, then please do forgive me. Okay, let's start. So yate ami ki porhim registered factories. So head of facts to okoman sail wa iman bahad koribo nalage. See, facts ki dia ase yate Assam had a total of kiman asile 2438 number of registered factories during 1993. Hetu sailwa factories registered under the Factories Act of 1948. Important hetu okoman historical background hoy. Episode finance and employment eduswa according to what survey? Annual Survey of Industries ketia hoisile 1987 to 1988. Okay, so Assamot keta registered factories asile 1598 during that year. Aru etia 1993 kiman ase 2438. So it has been increasing. Aru at the time fixed capital kiman asile rupees 629.76 crores. Okay, hetu ki generate kore huge income to the Assam economy. At the episode yate rozgar ebar employment opportunity ase. So the total amount of working and investor capital was kiman asile rupees 344.74 crores and 1018.19 crores respectively. Money had to working on kiman asile capital this much. Okay, this much. Aru investor or kiman asile this much. Okay, remember. And the number of workers, okay, yate kam kora bila kiman asile employed in this industries was 84,916. Very important. Aru, we will talk about what? Growth of one large and medium scale industry. Very important. Aru, it had 4 large, remember. Okay, Sarita. At episode medium scale industries got to say at the beginning of the planning. So namely ki an oil refinery caught at Digboy. Remember this one? Oil refinery at Digboy. A match factory. Moi he question hudisile, right? Okay, moi I think Tina or Kunuba he answer reply korisile. Match factory in Assam. Kaha pe hai? That is in Dhubri. Very important. And here remember plywood factory caught us say plywood factory, remember it is in the Margherita, very important. And a tea processing machinery manufacturing unit called as a Tinsukia. Hedu question not ahibo pare, hedu important facts hoy, okay? Very important this one. And there are some important industries. Let's talk about bibhinna industries, okay? That is important. First one amaki ase tea industry. Ami sobe janu tea industry kiman important hoy amar Assam economic karone, thik ase. And remember tea industry is the largest export. Very important. Jetia amar country or any country jetia export, okay? Beleg jaga jodi export kora to bahut strong hoy ki hoy amar economy. Okay, hetu bahut increase hoy jay. Thik ase. So here in the tea industry what we find that it is the largest export oriented sector. Very important. The episode biggest foreign exchange earner. Very important. Jeti export koribo. Then what? Foreign exchange about foreign currency ama India import hoi jabo, thik ase. And employment opportunity board hobo, that is here even it employs what? Employ kiman kore 5.5 lakh workers. Very important. Okay, and it accounted for 55.3% of the total area, important, and 53.9% of the total production of tea in India ketia hoisile 1990. And in Assam, tea industry was the first capitalist enterprise introduced by whom? Very important, British, right? In the early part of ketia 19th century, important. Episode tea plant was first introduced in Assam. Okay, tea plant Assam was first introduced by whom? By Major Robert Bruce. Very important. Okay, brother of what? A. Bruce. Ketia in 1823. In which place? At Balipara. Okay, near Tejpur. It is near Tejpur. But the cultivation was started in a systematic manner. Okay, but it became in a discipline or systematic manner in which year? 1835. Very important. So let us look something about the distribution of tea industry. So tea is grown all over Assam. Okay, in all over Assam, in both the valleys. Which valleys? Brahmaputra Valley and the Barak Valley. Okay, then remember about 75% of the total tea estates and tea hectareages are concentrated in Upper Assam. Kuntu hobo Upper Assam like Lakhimpur, Dhemaji, Dibrugarh, very important, and Tinsukia, Sibsagar, Jorhat, and Golaghat, Dorong, and Sonitpur. Very important. Then yate ako facts ki hobo 19% in the Barak Valley ase, tarpisot NC North Kachar Hills, Karbi Anglong districts, aru 6% is in Lower Assam. Okay, so when the questions asked about like the highest distribution of the tea, okay, industry is where? That is in Upper Assam, and 6% in the Lower Assam, and 19% in the Barak Valley. And so it is distributed in both the valleys, right? Duta valleys so to distribute hoy, eta Brahmaputra Valley aru eta Barak Valley. Tarpisot the ownership pattern, okay, jone holds koribo of the tea industry of Assam, etu change hoisile, underwent basic changes from British time to Indian hands. So etu ami gom pai, it generate huge employment opportunities around what percent? Around 69%. Very important. Episode distribution episode ami ki sam etia contribution of tea industry. Hey, very important hoy if you will be appearing for the upcoming examination of APSC mains paper jodi about the Assam economy question ahe. Okay, ami ki eta ডাঙৰ contribution কোনটো industry কৰে এনেকুৱা question আহিলে আপুনি tea industry okay লিখিব পাৰিব, তাৰপিছত অকমান facts-টো লিখি দিলে হৈ যাব, ঠিক আছে? So let's move to the contribution of tea industry. It comprises huge impact on economy of Assam, very important. At তাৰপিছত চৰকাৰ এবাৰ the government collected কিমান? ₹104 crores approximately, okay, by way of agricultural income tax, episode 10 crores as the sell tax from Guwahati Tea Auction Center, etc. Very important. Hey to Guwahati Tea Auction Center. At episode okuman hey to janilum Guwahati Tea Auction Center ketia form hoisile, formed in 1970 September. Very important. Now this center is now the world's second largest auction center, second largest, okay, in terms of total tea. And in 1989 ki hoisile, the center handled kiman 151.8 million kg of tea valued, our amount kiman ₹555 crores. Very very important facts here. After tea industry we will talk about what? Petroleum and petrochemical industry. Okay, apni hetu tea industry bhalke sai loa, tarpisot ami ki porhim etia? Petroleum, hetu important hoy, and petrochemical industry. Okay, in a few lines. Okay, oil was known as what? Liquid gold of Assam. Yete typing mistake, liquid gold of Assam. Okay, oil. Okay, hetu question ahibo pare, what was known as liquid gold of Assam? Then apuni ki dibo lage answer? Oil. Very important. Its existence in Upper Assam was recorded as far back in which year? In 1825. Its fields are concentrated. So, hetu important hoy, concentrated in places like what? Upper Assam in Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, Sibsagar, and Jorhat district. Very important. Aru in 1889 ki hoisile, the exploitation of oil was started by hetu important, by what? By the Assam Railway and Trading Company, when oil fields at Digboy were discovered during the construction of railway line from Dibrugarh to which place? Ledo. Very important. Hetu besi important hoy. The first oil refinery in the country was set up at which place? Very important. Digboy, no? Digboy first oil refinery hoisile, okay, in 1901 by the same company. Very important. This ऊपर में जो कंपनी दिया है वो दिस वन, ओके, असम रेलवे एंड ट्रेडिंग कंपनी. Then again, few facts. During 1952 to 1954, what happened? The new oil fields were discovered. At which place? Remember, Jaga, Naharkatia, Hugrijan and Moran, near the what? Digboy fields. Okay. Aru, important. The second refinery in Assam Ketia was 1962. Caught Nunmati, Guwahati, okay, in the public sector. That episode in 1956 ki hoisile the Oil and the Natural Gas Commission, short form ONGC. It was established হৈছিলে কিয় কাৰণে to explore and search of the new oil fields, okay. And remember, the third refinery and petrochemical complex was set up, okay, in which place? Remember, at Bongaigaon. We all know about BRPL in 1979. Then the fourth one is also being constructed at Numaligarh at Golaghat district. Tapasot ami along with the discovery of oil fields, আমি এটা কি some natural gas reserves also হেতু কি হৈছিলে discovered হৈছিলে আসামত, okay. Then this will be the last slides, I think. Okay, ইয়াতে কি হয়? The Oil India Limited, this will be O, okay, very sorry for this. The Oil India Limited and what? ONGC and Assam Gas Company, okay, হেবিলা কি আছিলে responsible for what? Production of LPG, okay. That is not liberalization, not privatization, not globalization, okay. This is liquefied petroleum gas. Caught হৈছিলে at Narjira and Duliajan, very important. Aru whereas BRPL hetu ki responsible hoy for production of both LPG and compressed gas at Bongaigaon. Yate confuse hobo nalage. Oil India aru ONGC aru Assam Gas Company hetu ki kore production hetu sai, okay, production of LPG caught Narjira and Duliajan. Aru this BRPL ki sai hetu production of both hetu dutai, okay, LPG and the compressed gas or ko jagat Bongaigaon, very important. Episode in 1969 ki hoisile the first natural gas based fertilizer plant in Assam was established in place called Namru, by which company or corporation? By the Hindustan Fertilizer Corporation, very important. So yate ami ki discuss korilu, eta ami korisu petroleum and petrochemical industry. তাৰপিছত আমি অকণমান চাইছোঁ কোনটো টি ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি, অ'কে, সেইটো বিলাক বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয়. আৰু মই আকৌ লাষ্ট এটা পাৰ্ট আনিম, সেইটো হ'ব পাৰ্ট 3. তাতে মই অকণমান মিছলেনিয়াছ টপিকছবিলাক ডিছকাছ কৰিম. তাৰপিছত আমাৰ ইকনমিক জিঅ'গ্ৰাফি ইনক্লুডিং দিছ ওৱান ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি এণ্ড দিছ উইল বি অ'ভাৰ, অ'কে. তাৰপিছত মই ৰিভিজন পাৰ্ট ট্ৰাই কৰিম, অ'কে. এক্সামলৈকে মই এটলিষ্ট 10 ৰিভিজন পাৰ্ট quick revision moi hetu upload koribo try korim, okay. So till then I hope you will have enjoyed and learned something from this video. Thank you so much. Ar jodi subscribe kora nai apunaloke kori diba, okay, mo bahut motivation pai, okay. Tar pisot like, comment ar share kori diba. Thank you so much.